When I hung this mirror on my wall, I wasn't able to hide the metal hanging clips behind the mirror, so I wanted to do some kind of decoration on top of the mirror to hide them. My father cut this background piece from plywood for me based on my drawings. The background piece was a few millimeters too wide, so I'm sanding it a bit. Then I'm measuring the center point. And gluing the decorative piece I bought to the background piece. Then some clamps and waiting for the glue to dry. The wooden decoration I bought is not long enough, so I'm making some extra swirls on the sides. I'm using 2-component epoxy putty because I had an old package of it that is going bad soon. I think polymer clay like Fimo would have been easier to work with, since this one was already quite dried out and hardened too quickly to work for long. Now the putty has dried, so I'm painting it with some primer. The wooden parts don't need primer. Then I'm painting the decoration with a furniture paint. This paint doesn't need any kind of coating. It's ready after 2 layers of this basic paint. Now it's time to attach the decoration to the mirror. I'm using double-sided tape to attach it because it was an easy solution. The white tape is slightly visible, so I'm painting it with black acrylic paint to hide it. And finished. I like how it turned out. Next, I'm upholstering this grayish stool I have. I couldn't find any fabric that matched the carpet, but the one I chose will do. It's a very classic pattern. What you are seeing now is the wrong side of fabric. And this is the right side of the fabric. now the stool is finished. It's nice even though it doesn't match the carpet super well. The final decoration I'm going to show on this video is adding some decorative pieces to a boring cabinet. I bought these wooden decorative pieces from a shop. First I'm painting them with wall paint. It's not the ideal kind of paint for this kind of purpose, but it's what I happen to have. I'm going to attach them to the cabinet door with a double-sided tape because it's easier than trying to glue them. Now the cabinet is much prettier.